Kosrae to peng peng Oscar, Island of the Sleeping Lady.
What's up everybody? Today we're heading to Wellong, but instead of by boat, we are going by land. On the way, we will stop by one of Kosrae's famous waterfalls, Sipyen Waterfall, deep in Utwe, and showing you some not often seen locations such as some abandoned houses and a beautiful scenery. Now to start off this journey, we started off from Lilla and we headed all the way to Utwe till the end of the paved road, and you just keep going straight. What's up everybody? So today we got exciting video. So originally we were supposed to go to Wellong by Rhea or by boat. That didn't happen because of the weather, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it is raining. It is kind of pouring right now. So we decided, or Aaron, so we thought we were gonna cancel it, but Aaron, you know, being the guy that he is, go-getter, he was like, nah, we're gonna make it happen anyways. So he finally found a reason to bring the truck out to try to go to Wellong. But our main objective for right now, or for today, is this one right here, Sipyen Waterfall. So we're currently in Utwe. Like, you gotta drive into Utwe. As you guys can see, like me and AJ, like the road here is steep. We're pretty much in the jungle. The road here is steep. Me and AJ had to get off on the way downhill just to check if everything's okay, if we can drive down here, because you never know in these type of areas, right? Like there's some people living here, surprisingly, but as of right now, like probably like within a 1 mile radius, nobody's here. Yeah, we're currently at Sipyen Waterfall. It is one of the famous waterfalls here in Kosrae. It's kind of hard to get to. Well, inconvenient to get to. It's not that hard, but it's just inconvenient. But yeah, Sipyen Waterfall. Let's go check it out, guys. We'll see if we're gonna make it to Wellong. All right, and this is the gang for today. See them right there.
Right now we're eating.
Man, back to you, man. Wait, right there, they got their lunch break right after school, straight out of school. Coming, this one right here. Let's go check it out. I pretty much almost ate it just now. Whew. Get in there. Oh bro, it is beautiful. Yo, I'm so excited. Didn't think this trip was gonna happen to Sipyen, but it is. That's beautiful. That's the man with the plan. Hi, Chat Chat. Hi. Hey, see. 간단하게 강연 구도 있네.
Ah, bravo. Mình mới là xóa pha ta quay cái gì.
Guys, I hope you guys can appreciate the scenery through this video as I am right now in person. It's not the biggest waterfall, but it's definitely one of the prettiest waterfalls that I've ever seen. Damn, look at it, take a look. Hi guys, if you ever come out to Sipyen Waterfall, you know that one thing that you need to wear is that you must come out here with your sports shoe or hiking shoe or something, or else you're gonna have a hard time out here.
Meanwhile,
are you scared? I'm back. Okay, let's go. Come on. No carrying. Walk. Come on, adventurer. Go ahead. I got you. Okay, go. I'm carrying you. Wait a minute. I don't want to carry you. I don't want to carry you. Okay, watch out. Head. Hide your face. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ash, it's muddy. Never mind. Should we keep going? Yep, we kept going. Let's see how far we can go before I for reals give up. It's very muddy. Oh, I see it from here. Do you see it? You see water? Hold on, let me turn it. There's a little bridge. It's a bridge. Where's the water? I see somebody coming down. Do you want to walk? Do you want to walk? Yeah, would you like to walk? Oh, guess who it is? Guess who it is? Ah. Are you disgusted by my feet? It's money. I swim go doo-doo. I swim go doo-doo.
I gotta go grab something at the car. You wanna wait for me over here? On the bench?
No, pull me up over here before I actually slip.
Let's carry him.
Oh! Right, I got the key. I didn't. Look at Sunshine. This is her spot. Look at Sunshine. You want to go swim? You didn't bring clothes. You want to go see bubbles, big bubbles up close? Let's go see. Okay, tell us where we're at. Hi. Is this the biggest waterfall here?
Huh? Is this the biggest waterfall?
That's about where we can stop. We're not going through all those big rocks.
Yeah.
It's pretty, but I don't want to go all the way through all of that hurdle. What you doing? Out, help me. Hold up. They are blocking. Are you guys going down?
No, we can wait for you. At least we're on the same trail.
Huh? Alright, here.
Okay. Woo! Welcome to Sipyen Waterfall.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that was the first stop. Right now, they're playing the Wellong kind.
All this world so big and wide, no morals that I know. Too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know. Too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know. Too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know. Too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know. Too strong strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. In all this world so big and wide, no morals that I know too strong enough to hold a tide or make a flower grow. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, He is the master of it all. He's bound to be the Lord. It takes somebody strong and tall to hang the stars so high, or paint the morning sky, or make a sparrow fly. There is an answer to it all, and if you never heard, don't ever
So this building right here behind us, that is the pink building, that is a CHC, a Community Health Center, Hospital of Wellong. Alright, well.
Welcome to Wellong. So unfortunately we got to Wellong a little late, around 5 to 6 p.m. and sun was about to set, and there was another 2-hour drive back to the car and back to home. However, I just want to come on here and sort of explain a little bit about Wellong and introduce Wellong to some of you guys who may not know of it. Wellong is a part of the Devonsat municipality. However, to us it is considered an outer island, because while it is attached to the main island, the most convenient way to go and come from Wellong is by boat, or what we call Rhea. Wellong has its own school and church, and even some luxury hotels. So next time you're in Kosrae, talk to some friends, family, or the hotel you're staying at to see if you can catch a ride with some locals to Wellong, either to fish or just cruise with them for the day. In my shots and some of my drone shots, you don't actually get to see most of Wellong. You're only seeing like I think 1/3 of Wellong. So definitely recommend you guys to go to see for yourself, and hopefully one day I can go back and do a better introduction to Wellong.
It's a paradise, Kosrae. Friendly people live there. You can hear their songs all day long, far from over the sea. It's a paradise, Kosrae. Friendly people live there. You can hear their songs all day long, far from over the sea. The ship is sailing through the harbor, and the people there are waving, and the passengers are waiting to see the island of Kosrae, and I say farewell. I love you all, I will miss you, adios. Take care till we meet again someday, my friend, on the island of Kosrae. The ship is sailing through the harbor, and the people there are waving, and the passengers are waiting to see the island of Kosrae, and I say farewell. I love you all, I will miss you, adios. Take care till we meet again someday, my friend, on the island of Kosrae. We meet again someday, my friend.
Alright guys, so unfortunately we are here late, so we're not able to go cruise Wellong. So I guess this is the end of the vlog. Come visit Wellong and Sipyen Waterfall. Alright, shoot. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, let's go.
Kosrae gato peng osco, island of the sleeping lady.